Hey guys, just a quick video to show you this Maton Mastersound. I believe it's an MS500. Being dropped off to me by a family member to do a bit of work to it. I'm going to install some new pickups. So yeah, I'll take you along for the journey. Thank you. As you see, it is a little bit dirty. You need of a bit of TLC and a setup, but I think once it's done, it'll be pretty cool. Alright, fun part now, got to take the strings off. Good. By Trinamatic. It's not stamped. It's got the casting line. I think some Gibsons use those. Oh mate, Sung Il Bridge. Yeah, cool. There's a cool bit. Now we get to take the pickguard off, have a look underneath. Smaller, I can fill it there. Oh man. A very long pickguard screws. Right, moment of truth. Pull it off and let's have a look. Oh my god, oh my god. Doesn't quite want to let go. Oop. Not screwed down by the Mastersound, but I'm not sure. I'll very, very carefully remove that tape, just in case. Why risk it? Oh no, so it was, alright. Ooh, yeah. The luck is all coming off underneath. How neat is that? It's the end of the truss rod there. Wow, this is cool. Right, what we've been waiting for. Electronics. Now let's take a closer look at the electronics on this bad boy. Rocking some really, really unique pickup housings. The one common ground wire between them all. Yeah, really different setup. To break it down, we've got your neck single coil and bridge humbucker, very unique designs. Pretty standard volume and tone control. We've got your input jack and coil tap switch for the bridge, and the really cool rotary pickup selector switch. Very unique to these guitars and very iconic, with their cool midway and hi-fi settings as opposed to the standard neck, middle and bridge. Now time to send away to get a custom pickguard made to suit a set of Seymour Duncan, Duncan pearly gates, as per the request. I'll provide an update once we see that. Thank you.